Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to request desktop site in Samsung Internet Browser. So, if you're an ardent user of the Samsung Internet Browser, and now you visited the website where you need to use the Samsung Internet Browser desktop site, but don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now let's suppose you visited this website and I want to request a desktop site for the site. All you need to do is, while on the website or once you open the Samsung Internet Browser, click on the menu icon at the bottom right, locate and click on desktop site. You see that? Now once you click on desktop site, the website refreshes itself automatically, and then it's going to move from mobile site to desktop site. So if you go ahead and open any of the articles or pages on the website, then you should see the website in a desktop format just like this. You see that? So this is the desktop site, and you can return back to the mobile site by repeating the same thing and clicking on mobile site. So that is basically how to enable or turn on desktop site on Samsung Internet Browser. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.